Senator Patrick Brazeau's 2-year suspension from the Senate also means he is taking a break from paying back the expenses he owes. Brazeau had been paying off nearly $49,000 in inappropriate travel and housing claims through a 20% clawback on each paycheck. And those payments are set to resume when Brazeau's suspension from the Senate ends. That Senate spending scandal has put the institution under the spotlight. It's prompted calls, too, for Canada's upper house to be scrapped. Senate reform has long been one of Stephen Harper's promises. But as Jacques Bourbeau explains, it's only now the Supreme Court is weighing in on exactly how change will be allowed to come about.
It's long been referred to as the chamber of sober second thought, but these days it's better known as the epicenter of political scandal. And that has the Harper government itching to make changes. So it's asking the Supreme Court to set the ground rules for reforming or abolishing the Senate.
The Senate must change or vanish. The status quo is no longer acceptable.
The Harper government believes Parliament can unilaterally impose term limits and elections for senators, and it only needs the agreement of 7 provinces representing 50% of the population to abolish the Senate. But federal lawyers faced a skeptical Supreme Court.
Why should not there be some provincial input? Are you seriously suggesting that running consultative elections for the appointment of a Section 96 judge would not amend the Constitution?
On the other side of this argument are most of the provinces. They claim the Constitution guarantees them a say in any attempt to reform or abolish the Senate. The thought of losing that right frightens the Premier of PEI.
Where any federal majority government could come in and unilaterally take away opportunities that provinces or jurisdictions or minorities may have in our country, to me, that's going down a very, very slippery slope.
The Senate may not be Canadians' favorite institution right now, but a constitutional expert says there's a good reason so many provinces are wary of change.
The Senate historically has been very important to a number of provinces, particularly those with smaller or diminishing populations.
When the Supreme Court rules, Stephen Harper will either get the green light to make changes to the Senate on his own or be forced to meet with the premiers and get them on side. Regardless, most senators acknowledge change is coming. The only question is what kinds of changes and who will make them. Jacques Bourbeau, Global News, Ottawa.